I want to tell you in this video how much YouTube paid me for 10,500 views on a 3-minute video. How much YouTube paid me for a video of that got 10,500 views. Sometime last 2 weeks, I made a video on how to calculate dollar or naira value for Hamster Kombat. So by then, Hamster Kombat have not listed. So I made a video showing examples that because Hamster Kombat at that time, they have given out tokens. So I made a video that, okay, let's assume they listed for 0.07. Based on the token you are given, what is the dollar value, what is the naira value. I also calculated using 0.7. I calculated using 0.007. Eventually, Hamster Kombat gave 0.01 to those people who took part in the airdrop project. But as a content creator, how much did I make on that particular video? The video went up. It became viral video within 24 hours. In fact, within the first hour of uploading the video, about 1,000 views already. Then the second hour, the third hour, I made it around 10 p.m. in the night. All through the night, people were watching it up to the second day, third day. How much then did YouTube pay me for the 3-minute video? The video is 3 minutes 24 seconds. Now, the video overview here you are seeing is it got 10,500 views. Then out of these 10,500 views, it was watch time was 288 hours of watch time. The people that subscribed to my channel just because of that video were 88 people. And then the estimated revenue I got was $8.26. I got $8.26. In fact, this video prompted me to start making videos more and more and more in this direction. I also made similar video for cats, but it didn't make up like that of the Hamster Kombat. Now I'm bringing you to the back end of the channel, which is showing you the video was done around September 16, 17. Around September 17 or 18, that was when I did the video. You can see the rise from here, and then it went up. After 24 hours, then it came down, and then it came down, and then now it has settled down again because Hamster Kombat have listed, but at least 1 or 2 people are still seeing that video. So you can see the graph of the video. It went up radically, then it flattened out over time, but it's still getting a few views, but not as much as it got at the start. So this is how much YouTube paid me for this video on Hamster Kombat. So many people out there are doing the Hamster Kombat game. I just did this video of 3 minutes 24 seconds, and this was what I got. So if you are a YouTuber, sometimes even though you have your niche, you have to look for viral topics, viral subjects on your niche, and then you do make videos on that your niche and on that viral subject, and then you're going to have some improvement on your channel. So these are some of the things that we have here. The reach, you can see the reach, and then look at the income and everything. Then the engagement, people engage with this video a lot. They were asking questions, and then look at the audience also. The audience went up and then it came down eventually. Then look at the this is how to go about it. And if you have any questions or comment for me, you can drop it in the comment section below. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.